So, welcome back. These pairs are in the cage, ready to breed. As I've seen before, new nest bowls in there, ready to go. I'm hoping that the mystery egg is from this hen. We will find out tomorrow. We'll see who actually lays an egg. If there's an egg in here, we know it's from her. If there's an egg in there, we know it's from Snow. So we just have to wait, and for the time being, I'm gonna let these guys eat heaps and just relax, get ready for the next set of young birds to pop out of them. But looking pretty good. I'm really impressed with that hen. She's starting to look really good. Same with these guys too. They can't be too far off laying another egg. I was expecting them to lay when they had the young birds in here, but maybe they're just waiting for the kids to leave the nest, so hopefully now they get their act together. But even this hen, she's starting to look quite good again. She's having a few days rest, eating all she wants and just relaxing. It's probably reasonably stressful raising those little squeakers. There's the big dad. He's a stunner. Look at the size in him though. She's actually quite a small bird, and he's fairly solid but beautiful. He's definitely my favourite cockbird, I think, at the moment. And we should have 3 eggs in here. There we go, that's what we're looking for. So we have, well, you can see the size difference in those. These two here are actually the barless hen's eggs. Look at the size of that one. That's a monster compared to those ones. And then this one is the mystery egg, but it's in here keeping it warm anyway because we don't want to lose that one. But geez, you're starting to look pretty good too, Mr. Beast. You're a good dad. She's just like, oh, I just laid that egg, that was hard work. That'd be interesting to see how these ones go. Because that egg is massive for a pigeon egg. Oh, come on. Get back in there. You're so excited to see me. So, everyone's here. Apart from Jon Snow, still missing. There's no sign of him anywhere. What's this? Who is this? What's your number? You are the friendly one out of the two. You are 2461, 2461. You are like the most friendliest out of all of them. And noisy too. But you're a good looking little bird. They're pretty much identical, these two, apart from this one is smaller and that one's a bit bigger. So this one could be the hen, could be the cock, but I could be wrong. I was definitely wrong with Snow's first round. But look at this little stunner. Nice little clean bars. I think the real only difference between this one and that one is this one's got the more clean bars, and then that one's got the more faded sort of pencil-y type bars. I think it's a bit hard to see. Oh, yeah, show us your wing, that's good. You can see there without being too fuzzy. So that's probably the real difference between these two. Hey, come here, come here. You're being a bit aggressive, you are. I don't know if that's going to be a hen or a cock. I thought it was going to be a hen, but it might be the cock out of them, and that one might be the hen. Generally I get boy and girl, but Snow's first round with both boys, so It's hard to tell sometimes. That little guy's pretty friendly too. This is Leo's baby. Come here. He's quite a nice little bird. I think that's going to be an absolute stunner, I think, when he gets older. Starting to shape up quite well. He's got nice bars on him too. Where's your nest mate? Up there. He's waiting. Let's get some food into you guys. Come on. Come on. Come on, you guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't be shy. No. You've eaten everything you want out of there anyway. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oop. Oh, you're in the bucket. No. Yeah. Come on. I really like just to hand feed them every now and then like this. Just before the main feeds anyway, just good to... I like my birds tame. Get out of there. Come on. There's so much white in this loft at the moment. I think there's only 1, 2, 3. There's only really 3 blue ones with no white on them. And then there's 1 red, which is T-Series, but he's a bit of a outcast at the moment, which is pretty much like the T-Series channel anyway. Come on. Come on. Oh, these are all good. I like them all tame like this. Let's hopefully they will stay like this. Yeah, you want some more? Come on. Come on. Come on. I really hope Jon Snow comes back. I want to start getting some more birds out on the tossing. I did toss that checker and the white hen today at about 40-ish k's. They come home super quick, so she is continually being consistent, this girl. I definitely want to get her out to 100 kilometres. She's starting to get a bit tame again too, which is good. Come on. I gave this a really good clean today too. Oh, you're a giddy out there. Come on. So that's pretty much all you can eat right now, which is good. Especially when I've got the little young ones in here like this, I just like to leave the food in there for a while. Just to make sure that these guys get plenty of food, because this one and that little checker there, they are the youngest, so they're still trying to figure out how this whole system works. So I'm quite happy at the moment to let the other ones eat as much as they want as well, just until these guys get the fact that they need to get in, eat their food. But there is so much white, I just can't get over it compared to last year. were pretty much all blue bars. And all this stuff, good wash and disinfect with Virkon S2. I'll put it in there, give it all a good wash. Well, they had a bath today too. All ready. Catch you guys later.